steady now, get in there. Easy, girls, keep moving. Arre, arre. Vámonos. Keep moving, girls, let's go. Watch the gap right there, we're almost loaded. Is the calibration complete? Almost, just scanning the first tag now.
Move along now, keep moving. Get through the chute.
Check the weight distribution on lot 3B.
Looks consistent with the Brangus averages, well within tolerance.
Move along, move along. Next one, right through here.
Anomaly detected on the third one coming up.
Acknowledged. Reroute for manual inspection.
On this group. All right, let's get the gate open and move them to the feed.
Empuja la comida un poco más hacia allá.
Claro, enseguida lo hago.
All right, ladies, keep it moving. Looking good, easy now.
There's a subtle uneven grain here near the edge.
I see it.
Yeah.
It's too prominent for the shoe grade.
Yeah, I'll mark it now.
This one is clear. Good, I'll tag it for the press.
Esta tanda está perfecta.
Voy a moverla a la prensa.
Schedule. Yes, let's optimize the drying process.
We need to move these to the next station. All right, I'll prep the conveyor.
Check this section here near the edge. Huh?
I see it. Looks a bit thin for the shoe grade.
Urban Soul, delivering the future of footwear to your city streets.
Careful with these, they're the new premiums.
Got it. How many more stacks?
2 more pallets in the back.
This is the new Urban Soul shipment for the main display.
Okay, I'll bring the rest right over.
Careful with these, they're the new premiums.
Got it. How many more stacks?
2 more pallets in the back.
Got the next stack ready? Perfect, bringing the dolly back now.
Man, look at the craftsmanship on these loafers.
Yeah, but these joggers are next level.